Thursday, September 19, 2024. Saint Januarius. Focus. On the contrary, I worked harder than any of them, though it was not I, but the grace of God that is with me. Trials and tribulations are painful, but they may also be a blessing in disguise. Till we experience hurt, we cannot know what it means to fight back to our feet or to overcome all obstacles and emerge triumphant. It is necessary to suffer before we can grow as new persons in Christ. Some of the best effects of character building are patience, humility, resilience, and most importantly, self-awareness. St. Paul well knew his past flaws. Therefore, not did he work hard, but he worked harder than all the others to earn the mercy that God bestowed on him. He was aware that in his very weakness lay the grace of God. As part of my job, I get to hire candidates for a company. They come from all walks of life. The ones who most often do well are those marked by sheer dedication. They more than others will probably contribute to the company's growth. In most cases, these committed workers have modest academic and family backgrounds. The procession of the blood of Saint Januarius is held on this day in Naples. Sinners and simpletons turned saints like Paul and Januarius continue to bring souls to God. Fruit. God has blessed me with many wonderful gifts. I must use them for His greater glory.